Welcome to this tutorial on the Elvis operator in Kotlin. The Elvis operator is a powerful feature that helps us provide default values elegantly. It's named after Elvis Presley because the question-mark::colon operator looks like his iconic hairstyle when you tilt your head. Let's dive in and master this essential null safety tool. The Elvis operator provides a concise way to handle null values in Kotlin. When you have a nullable expression that might evaluate to null, the Elvis operator lets you specify a default value to use instead. Think of it as a safety net that catches null values and replaces them with something meaningful. This makes your code both safer and more readable. The syntax is beautifully simple. You write your expression, followed by a question mark and colon, then your default value. The question mark colon is the Elvis operator. If the expression on the left evaluates to null, Kotlin will use the default value on the right. If the expression is not null, it returns that value instead. Let's see a practical example. Here we declare a nullable string variable called name and set it to null. Then we create another variable called displayName using the Elvis operator. We write name, then the Elvis operator, then the string guessed. Since name is null, displayName will be assigned the value guessed. When we print displayName, the output is guessed. Now let's see what happens when the value is not null. In this example, name is assigned the string Alice. We use the same Elvis operator syntax with guessed as the default. But since name is not null, the Elvis operator returns the actual value, which is Alice. When we print displayName, the output is Alice. The default value guessed is simply ignored because it wasn't needed. Here's a real-world scenario. We have a function called getUserGreeting that accepts a nullable username parameter. Inside the function, we build a greeting string. We use the Elvis operator within string interpolation. If username is null, it gets replaced with anonymous user. Otherwise, the actual username is used. When we call this function with null, it prints hello anonymous user exclamation mark. This is perfect for user interfaces where you need friendly defaults. The Elvis operator becomes even more powerful when combined with throw expressions. In this validateAge function, we accept a nullable integer. We use the Elvis operator to either return the age if it's not null or throw an illegal argument exception if it is null. This is a common pattern for validation. The right side of the Elvis operator can be any expression, including throw or return statements, making it incredibly flexible. Let's recap the key points. The Elvis operator is a concise alternative to verbose if-else statements for null checks. The left side expression is evaluated only once, making it efficient. You can use it with throw or return expressions for advanced control flow. Most importantly, it makes your code more readable and expressive by clearly showing your intent to provide default values. The Elvis operator is an essential tool in Kotlin's null safety arsenal, and mastering it will make you a better Kotlin developer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.